If you've been locked out from your WordPress site for entering the password wrong multiple times, you might see this error saying that too many login attempts, please try again in 20 minutes. This could be because you're using this very much popular plugin, which oftentimes comes pre-installed with many WordPress installations by default, which it's called Limit Login Attempts Reloaded. So instead of waiting for the 20-minute lockout period to expire, you can actually gain access to your admin panel by making a few changes in the file manager. So let me just show you a quick way how you can gain access to your admin panel. First of all, log into your hosting account and then make sure to go to your control panel areas such as cPanel. Then locate File Manager. Then click on Public HTML folder. Then select WP-content folder. Then within this folder, locate Plugins folder. Right here, you'll see all the plugins which are installed on your WordPress site. Then locate this folder, which is Limit Login Attempts Reloaded. Then go ahead and right-click on it, and then click on Rename. And then let's add dash inactive. Then let's rename file. So this plugin is no longer active on the WordPress site. In fact, we can go back and try logging in into the admin panel. So I was successfully able to log back in. Now, if I go to plugins and then click on install plugins, you'll see there's an error. It's saying that the plugin has been deactivated due to an error because we just renamed it. Now let's go back to cPanel and remove the change we've just added. Once again, right click, rename, and let's remove inactive, including the dash. Rename file. Now let's refresh the plugins page. And the error should be gone, but the plugin is inactive. Now let's go ahead and activate it. Then let's click on settings. Then let's go to logs. And right here, scroll to the bottom, you'll see the IP address from which you get logged out. And then just click on unlock. From now on, you can actually log out from your admin panel and try logging back in. And there shouldn't be any restrictions and the plugin would be still active. So this is all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.